Over here you can see that I have a video project and I have already selected in the in and out points right here on the videos and then have arranged them out on the timeline right here. So if I were to go around over here onto, let's say for example, this point right here, then you can see that a certain that the video starts from a certain point. And if you want to change that out, then right around the center where there's this intersection point between the two clips, you can go around and double click. And over here, you can see the point over here where you have actually cut out the video right here. So this is the end point of the previous video, and there's the starting point of another video, as you can see. So you can go around and then select out the video that you want to, let's say for example, adjust out the cut for, and you can click and drag this right here. So you can see that this is the video right here. You can go around, click and drag, and you can see that the video can be cut off from over there. Same goes with the other video over here as well. You can go around and click and drag it out, and you can see that that video right here is being cut out right here, just like that. So that is what you have. If I were to go around and double click, and instead of clicking on the top or the bottom part right here, if I were to select the middle area right here and click and drag, then what happens is that I can go around and then change around the in point of one video clip right here while changing around the out point of another video clip, and the overall timing of the video does not actually change in this case. So over here you can see that the end point of this video clip is being changed, whereas the beginning point of that video clip is being changed right here, and that is also known as roll edit, which allows you to keep time consistent and work around with multiple clips all at once. And that is how you can work around with the endpoint option and then use the roll edit option inside of Davinci Resolve. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.